Yo, what is up everyone? I'm GChrisFX bringing you a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to be shooting a Supra. So I'm pretty stoked to show you guys the process on how I shoot my cars. Not my cars, my car films. I'm super excited to show you guys my process on how I shoot cars. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to be shooting a Supra today. My buddy Johnny, he's hit us up and wants us to shoot it. So we're going to get this tilter rig mounted up onto the car. Right now I'm going to be using the Mustang. That's what I have right now currently. So yeah, we're just going to set it up and see how it goes. Alright guys, so we just finished setting up the car rig right now. Got everything ready to go. Hopefully we can avoid as much traffic as possible because other cars in the shot isn't as cool. Just finished getting rollers right now. Came out really sick. Unfortunately, there was a fire that was going down here in San Antonio. We don't know what caused it or whatever, so you might be able to see it like in the background when we're shooting the Supra. It looks really cool with all the smoke in the background, but I mean, hopefully everyone's all right. We're gonna get set up right now with the FPV drone. Super stoked for that. Yeah, we found some pretty nice back roads that are very windy. So we're gonna get some pretty cool shots of that. So let's get to it. So right now I'm getting a wide shot of the whole car, and it looks pretty dope. So I'm just getting a rotating, orbiting shot around it, kind of just to show off the establishing scene and see how it comes out. Well guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I'm going to do my best to bring you guys along future projects. It is kind of hard. Not every project I can, get some B-roll or behind the scenes, but I'm going to do my best to do more of those because I know it's more enjoyable and you guys can pick up a thing or two from these videos. So with all that said and done, have yourself a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this, and don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace. He's a little baby. Ooh. Yeah, look at Duke, guys. Look at Duke. Duke's out of the camera. What's wrong with his palm, bro? Woo! Oh, he didn't like that. Sorry, I'll put you down.